Hey y'all, so I'm at lunch. I'm gonna go in here and eat me something healthy. Me at Subway, and it's gonna be so good. My favorite person right here on Roosevelt Highway. This is the best Subway. I'm telling you, you gotta come over here. The bread is always fresh. The sandwich is good. I'm telling you, check them out. Roosevelt Highway in the Wakefield Shopping Center. This is my man right here. You can ask, and the lady. Don't let me not forget her. Hey, check him out.
Turkey and pepperoni, right?
Yeah, see, he already know what I want. Italian herb, turkey. Make sure you get the pork and onions. Bell peppers. Black olives.
Yes, you have a beautiful daughter, y'all both look beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. I got two beautiful. I got a 30-year-old and I got
A little bit more lady.
You said we look alike?
Don't get me in trouble.
Okay, I'm gonna get salt, pepper, mayo. My twin is here, y'all. Say hey.
Hey. Pickles.
Sliced in 3. All right, y'all, so we back from Subway. And there go Reese, my daughter, eating her sandwich.
That's good.
Oh, she didn't waste no time, listen. That bread fresh?
Mm-hmm.
I know it is.